Hi everyone, today in this video I'll show you from where you can download drivers for your Foxin motherboard. So let's get started. To begin with, simply open your browser and search Foxin Motherboard. From the search results, go to this official webpage of Foxin. Here you will get all the motherboard models listed. Simply select the one you have. Now click on the download driver option. From here, download all the files. From all the downloaded files, the sound, LAN and Intel file are the most important ones where you have all the drivers, so simply extract them using WinRAR or 7-zip. In the Intel folder, you will get the chipset and VGA driver. In the LAN folder, you will get the Ethernet driver. And in the sound folder, you will get the audio driver. Simply install them one by one. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.